Imagine a sphere of pure electricity about the size of a grapefruit. It floats silently through your living room. It stops, and it feels like it's looking straight at you. It passes through a closed window without breaking the glass, and then vanishes. This phenomenon is called ball lightning. It has baffled scientists for centuries because it defies the laws of thermodynamics. It shouldn't exist. It behaves less like weather and more like a probe. Welcome back to the Seraphim Protocol. In part 1, we looked at the fire above. Now we look at the eyes down below. The prophet Ezekiel had a vision that has confused theologians for millennia. He described beings called the Ophanim. He didn't see men with wings. He saw wheels within wheels, their rims covered in eyes all around. He wrote that they could move in any of the 4 directions without turning, and that they moved instantly, flashing like lightning. In a physical world, this sounds like a hallucination. But in a simulated universe, a world defined by John Wheeler's It from Bit theory, this makes perfect sense. These aren't monsters. They are debug drones. Wheeler believed in a participatory universe where the act of observing is what makes reality concrete. Without an observer, the quantum wave function doesn't collapse. The code doesn't render. Think of the Ophanim as the system's automated observers. The eyes on the rims are sensors. The wheel within a wheel structure allows for movement on the X, Y, and Z axes without inertia. When we see ball lightning passing through a wall, we aren't seeing a ghost. We are seeing a tool that has no-clip privileges. It ignores the collision physics of the simulation because it is external to the simulation. It is scanning the local render for errors. So, we have the administrators, the Seraphim, and the observers, the Ophanim. But every connected system is under constant threat. There is cosmic radiation, solar winds, and corrupt data constantly bombarding our planet. Who protects the hardware? In Jewish mysticism, there is a class of angels called the Hashmalim. In the Bible, the word Hashmal was used to describe a glowing substance in the center of divine fire. But if you go to Israel today and ask to turn on the lights, you use that same word. In modern Hebrew, Hashmal simply means electricity. Electricity is the language of the universe. It is how the bit moves. And the greatest display of this electricity is the Aurora Borealis. This isn't just pretty light. It is the visual signature of Earth's magnetic field, deflecting deadly solar particles. It is a literal shield. In our protocol, the Hashmalim are the firewall. They are the active force field that repels external attacks. When you see St. Elmo's fire glowing on the wing of a plane, you are seeing the system buffering, accumulating charge to maintain the integrity of the physics in that location. When we combine theology and digital physics, the picture becomes clear. The storms, the lights, the anomalies, they aren't chaos. They are corrections. Angels don't come down to play harps. They are automated processes sent to rewrite reality, fix the local physics, and ensure the simulation keeps running until the end of the processing cycle. So the next time you see the sky flash with a color that shouldn't be there, don't be afraid. It's just the system running a security patch, and we're inside it. To continue decoding the simulation, initialize the next sequence. Subscribe to Decoding the Source AI.